Yo, what's going on, guys? Got another video right here, brand new pickup. I won these off of sneakers recently as well. Decided to do a quick review for you guys because I think these are a pretty dope collab actually. In terms of the quality, the overall execution, and all that stuff, I think they're pretty clean. They might have been overdoing this shoe, but I feel like, hey, if anybody wants this shoe, keep producing them, and let everybody grab a pair. So what shoe am I talking about today? I'm talking about the Sacai / Undercover / Nike collab, the triple collab shoe. Just got these in the mail today. Shipped pretty quick. Shipped from FedEx. Got here and when did these drop? Like a couple days ago, and then it came pretty fast. I was excited to open them up. And yeah, let's just get right into the damn shoes. That's what you guys been waiting for, alright? I think this is clean. The box came in pretty pristine condition. Pretty happy about that. So let's get right into it. Alright, so here is the box right here. Comes in the regular, like a Nike Sacai box that usually comes in like the other shoes that they've made. Pretty regular stuff. It always comes in this box. It's a pull out front box. Don't forget to pull out, people. It can help you. So yes, it comes with this Undercover and Jun Takahashi tissue paper, and boom, man, this is so clean. I like the presentation and all this. Each shoe, I already took them out, but each shoe came individually wrapped in its own paper, and it came with 2 sets of laces, extra laces that you can grab. Very sturdy box, by the way, man. You can haul some ass in this shit. So came with 2 extra laces. I already switched one out because I think it looks a little bit better. It comes with this ribbon laces, the white ribbons with the gold aglets. That's pretty cool. I don't know if I put these on, man. I'm not going to like a wedding or anything, so those are pretty cool. And then it comes with this rope lace, this gray rope lace. I put one in. I decided to put one in just to see how it looked like, because I thought it would come with black or white laces, and I feel like an all black lace for the shoes in particular would make it look a little bit more clean. But it didn't come with that, sadly. But it did come with different textured laces, like the rope and the ribbon laces, and I like the rope lace a little bit more because it's great. That's what the accessories came with. Let's just get right into shoes. All right, let's get into these things, man. These bad boys. And speaking of bad boys, pray for my boy Will, man. Pray for my boy Will. All right, bam, these things. So I was able to cop the Citron pair. I think this was the cleanest colorway. I tried for the red one, and then I tried for these ones. I was able to hit on these ones on sneakers. I was pretty excited actually, because this is the one I really wanted. And man, as you can see, I decided to switch the laces out. Super clean. These were a pain, dude. A pain to relace these damn things. I was like, huh? My brain was like, what the hell's going on? Cause just the gray pops out a little bit more. I had trouble with this, man. It's same with my OG pairs I'm about to show you guys, but man, beautiful shoe. That smell, man. That smell. I'm just kidding. Sorry, I'm cutting that out. That smell, man. That's a beautiful smell. I love that smell every time I come in. Wait, what? Yeah, this is clean. Nike Sacai branding on the insole. Nike Sacai and Undercover branding on the tongue tag. It has a leather mud guard and leather on the back compared to the original ones. That's a different touch. Very soft leather, premium quality stuff. The nylon isn't as see-through as the originals as well. It's hairy suede, like the gray hairy uncle suede right there. And on this side of the swoosh, leather swoosh, yellow swoosh as well. And man, this is clean. I like this, but oh man, and the prickly porcupine sole right here, man, I like this shoe. Ooh, and this part is I love this part right here, where it just kind of has subtle hit of flexiness, I guess, with the Undercover Sacai and Nike branding right there. I like this a lot. In terms of actually, just let me bring out the other one and see what you guys like a little bit better. All right, so I have the other one as well. Boom. I have the black, white, and gray pair. I love this shoe, dude. It's so comfy, gives you a couple inches of height, makes you look like a savant, dude. My goodness, I'm just floating in the air with these, man. And yeah, I like this colorway a lot. That's why, in terms of what I think if I should keep these or not, I'm not gonna keep these. I already have this one. It's already doing too much with this. I mean, the yellow is a nice pop of color, but I honestly do not have a lot of yellow in my wardrobe. And this shoe kind of already fills it already. Fills the void already, but not the void in my life, you know? So, it's almost the same. So the mesh on the OG pair is a lot more thinner, more see-through. You can see your socks on this one. This one's like the nylon on the nylon Sacai pairs. So it's not thick, I would say. It is thicker, but you won't be able to see your socks in these ones. So, you know, you can wear your holes in your socks now, okay? It's okay, fellas. You can do it. And, so the mudguard, this one is like I would say like a nubuck / suede. This one's a leather, very plush leather, by the way. And it's just a lot of key difference in the shoes. They have this one has like 2 leather swooshes. This one has the hairy suede and the leather right there. The back heel, this one's a leather as well, and this one's like a nubuck / suede. And yeah, super clean, well built. God, they smell great. This one smells like depression. And yeah, that's why I'm not trying to keep this shoe. It's really redundant in my collection right now. If I already have one, I kind of have them all already. I do like the Summit white pair or like the Fragment gray pair, but I don't know. I wear a lot of darker clothes, so me trying to get the gray pair is not really something I need because I wear a lot of darker clothes. So yeah, I think it's a clean colorway though. If like anybody does not have like the OG colorways or anything, and you want to, you know, wear this shoe, like it's a very comfortable shoe, man. I love it. I love wearing this. You can wear these all day. They don't hurt your feet, and they give you like a little landing pad too, you know. This one's clean. The only thing I hate about Sacai LDWaffles is that when you drive your car, man, you get that horrible black gunk in the bag, dude. I hate that. So what I would usually do is I would put a piece of tape there, or I know some people that take off their shoes, but these shoes are hard to put on, dude. You gotta like unlace them by like 2 holes and all that stuff, and I ain't doing all that work. I'm putting a piece of tape on it, and it works just well. I hate it. Like this part right here gets disgusting, and you know, wear your shoes, but that looks disgusting. The sole's white, okay? And yeah, so I'm definitely going to be selling these because I don't need this in my collection. I'm very happy to be able to do a review of these, but yeah, I don't really need this in my collection right now. But let me know what you guys think of this shoe right here. You think these are better or like the OGs? Obviously, it's a resounding. A lot of people like the OGs better, but I hope you guys were able to cop these because I really want more people to love this shoe, man. Because it's a it's a good design shoe that, you know, deserves a lot more love. Even though it did get a lot of love when it released first, but it did get a lot of hate as well. But you know, people started coming around to it, and yeah, I'm just glad that more people have this shoe. Okay, so boom, definitely size up on these as well. They do run a little tight in the toe area. I know a lot of people have that problem, and yeah, definitely size up. Quality's good. I had no kind of like glue stains or any kind of factory stains in my pair, so the quality control seems pretty good too, and yeah, the smells good as well. So yes, hope you guys are able to cop a pair. If not, resale's not too bad, only like $30 more over retail, but like you think if you add in like shipping and handling and all that stuff, around almost like the same price. So yeah, if you really like this colorway, definitely change out the laces. That's what I want to do because I feel like it was too much yellow in the shoe, so I decided to put the gray in. And yeah, hope you guys liked the video. Peace.